Second problem, calculate correct to three significant figures. The circumference of a circle with radius 7 and radius 10 centimeter and 12 centimeter. So let's start the solution. So we will do the first bit first. What is the radius given in the first bit? So radius R is 7 centimeter. Okay, so we know that circumference is 2 pi r. So that is 2 into pi is 22 by 7. R is 7. Okay, so 7 we can cancel. 2 into 22, so that will be 44 centimeter. Okay, so they said that three significant figures, we already got two, so we will add one more. So therefore circumference is 44, so we can put decimal 0 centimeter. Okay, now let's do second bit. So radius is 10 centimeter. So we know that circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, so 2 and pi is 22 by 7 and r is 10. So here we can multiply. 2 into 22 is 44, into 10 is 440 upon 7. Okay, so if we divide this, let's divide here. So after dividing, we got 62.857. So but we need to stop it up to 3 digits, 3 figures. Okay, so let us write correct to 3 significant figures are C is equals to 62 point. Since you can see that I want to stop at 8, so the next digit is 5. If it is 5 or 5 more than 5, we need to add one more to the previous digit, so that will be 9 centimeter. Now let us do third bit. So for third bit, radius is 12 centimeter, and we know the circumference formula is 2 pi r, which is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 12. So 2 into 22 is 44. 44 into 12 is 528 by 7. So let us divide. So after dividing, we got 75.428. It goes on. So but we need to write down only 3 figures. So correct to 3 significant figures. C is equals to, so 75. I want to stop at 4, so we will check the next number, that is 2. So we cannot add anything to 4, so we will write down only 4 centimeter.